Okay, 8th grade, so now we will go to the design part of this bicycle. I would like you to pick your favorite type of fruit that is round. So an apple, an orange, a lemon, a lime, a kiwi. I want you to pick something that is round. And you have to imagine if you cut the fruit in half, what the inside of that looks like. So now I'm going to show you a picture of a bicycle. And it's the same basic, but they've switched the style around a little bit. I used a very easy, basic bicycle drawing. And what did they do? Look at their wheels. It's a lemon. And so they have white wheels, or light yellow, and then they put a lemon in there. And then you can see that the spokes are the inside of a lemon. Now, you can do this with an orange, you can do this with a kiwi, any kind of fruit that is round. I know the apples usually have a little dip in there, but you can just make it round and imagine it if it was cut in half, you would see the inside of the core of the apple. And so you decide what kind of fruit you would like to use. That's totally up to you. And just have fun with it. It's easy, simple, and we'll go back to the original drawing, which is an easy one to do. If you'd like to take it a step further and design it a little bit different, that's up to you also. But this is your basic drawing of a bicycle. Once again, you just need a circle, any kind of circle you want to use. And I use my glue stick to make little circles. You need a ruler. The first part is just drawing this piece. And you do your circle here too. Don't forget that. I forgot that for a second. And your first piece, here's your circle, here's your circle. You got 3 little circles. And you take your ruler or the edge of a piece of cardboard, or paper, or book, or whatever you have around, and you draw your first line on an angle. Not straight up, but on an angle. Then you make it a V. Very easy. You make a V, you bring it down to the middle of this circle. Then you take your next line, and it's a V again, and you draw the line straight up to the seat. The seat is lower than this V, so remember it goes a little lower. Then you make a line going straight across here, so it looks like a A, basically. And then you can bring it back this way. And you start by going back to the center of this circle, and you make the letter I, a capital I. Just bring this down a little further. And all that is the capital I. So once again, all this whole picture is triangles once again, straight, here's a letter, circle. Don't forget your seat. You can make the seat wider in the back or narrower in the back. And your handlebars, which are here. And that's just this shape. That's like a U, a big square U. Just remember this comes out a little bit. So this is longer. This will be shorter. And instead of putting spokes into this, we are just going to put a piece of fruit into it. Oh, and grapefruits. Grapefruits also. Grapefruits is similar to your lemon or your orange, but they also have pink grapefruits. So whoever wants to do a pink